Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ajay and this is a video testimonial for Dr. Bhavdeep's practice management workshop. My first push to attend this workshop was a SWOT analysis that I did with Dr. Bhavdeep, and it was a fantastic experience for me because I made quite a bit of changes in my clinic after attending Dr. Bhavdeep's lecture. And I keep listening to Dr. Bhavdeep's lecture in the morning when I'm getting ready. So I had asked him already that if I have to go for a if there is a practice management workshop, I'll be interested, and I attended it, and I want to attend it. So it was a good experience, and I learned quite a lot of bit. I'm still watching all the lectures on repeat mode because I had never learned things in one shot. So I'm learning and relearning them again, and I'm watching them again, and I'm glad that I did it, and I'm very happy with the dedication and the honesty with which Dr. Bhavdeep, has tried to guide us. He was genuinely interested in improving his students, and he's accessible, and most importantly, he's honest and transparent. So I'm glad and happy that I attended it. Thank you so much.